good evening to everyone. Please unmute yourself and wish ma'am good evening. Let me hear all your good evenings. Come on.
Good
Everyone.
evening, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening,
Good evening and thank you so much, children. Okay, I have a game for you today. Okay, I have a small game for you. You have to. Yes, ma, Nevin?
I got you.
Yeah, go and come. Okay, I have a small game for you, children. Shall we play that game? Have to find out animal or fruit like that it will be. Okay? Have to find out. 1 minute. Okay, there will be animal hiding inside and you have to find out what animal is that. Okay, can you find out what animal is here, hiding in here? Tiger. Tiger. Okay. Okay. Okay, stop it. Okay, stop it. Okay, children. How many of you say it is lion? Raise your hand. Raise your hand those who say it is lion. 1, 2, 3. Many of you say, okay. How many of you say it's a tiger? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand. How many of you say it's a tiger? Oh, very few. Gritvik, my boy, is it tiger? Okay, shall we see whether it is a lion or tiger? Yes. Those who have said the right answer will high five those who is sitting near you. Okay, whoever is sitting near you, you will give a high five. Okay. Dun-dun-dun. What animal is it? Yeah, high five to your mom or dad or whoever is sitting next to you. Very good. Okay, now the next animal. Ready? Still don't copy the answer. Yes, elephant, huh? Really? Silence, really? Is it an elephant? Shall we see? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! High five! Well done. Okay, the next animal. What do you see here? Very smart. Children are very smart. Let's see. It's a hippo. Very good. Kaushik, nobody is there next to you. You can high five to ma'am. High five.
Good
Yeah,
evening,
good.
ma'am.
Those who have nobody next to you, you can high five to me. Yeah. Very easy, right? Snake. High five. Very good, children. It's a snake. Well done. Wow. Now here. Wow. Okay, check out. It's a panda. Wow. Well done. High five those who don't have anyone near you. High five. Okay, here. Is it a giraffe? Really? Really, is it a giraffe? Okay, shall we check it out? Yeah. Well done. It's a giraffe. Okay. Come on, guess the vegetable. What vegetable is this? Huh? Egg and plant. It's a eggplant. Very good. Well done. Those who got the right answer. Egg and plant is the eggplant. Very good. Next, it's a vegetable. Come on, guess the vegetable. I'm going to count till 5. Have to find out.
Ladies
1,
finger.
2, 3, 4, 5. What is the right answer? Yeah, very good. 7. Very good. It's lady finger. Well done. Lady finger. Okay. Next.
I'm lady finger.
Yeah, very good. Next.
Onion.
Very good, Sarah. Onion. Very good. Very good. Well done. A big round of applause. Well done. Okay.
Onion.
Next. Okay. Let me see. Let me see.
Onion.
Yes.
Snake.
Hey, who said it?
Snake.
Very good. Snake god. Well done. Good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Snake god. Well done. It's a snake god. Very good. Now let me see. Huh? Honeybee Q. No. No. No.
You can all please put your mic on mute. Vanilla ma'am, can you check with one by one?
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay. Whom shall I ask?
Vanilla ma'am, please
Gritvik.
can you check with one by one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Gritvik, come on. Can you find out the answer?
Yeah, ma'am.
Find out.
Mm.
Tick
Honeybee.
tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3.
I telling
Tick
honeybee.
4. No. Tick tick 5. No. Your chance is over. Shravan. Shravan.
Red beans.
Huh?
Ron green.
Gran. What is it, gran? What
Beans.
color is that box?
Green beans.
Green beans. Very good. Well done, Shravan. Well done. Gritvik, it's green beans. Very good. Okay. Next, I'm going to ask. Whom shall I ask? Siva.
Yay!
Siva.
Flower.
No,
Leg.
it's not a flower. It's a vegetable only. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. Tick tick 5. What is the answer? No, what? You don't know? Okay. Who knows the answer? I'm going to ask Arav.
Seven.
No, Shravan. Shravan already answered. Okay. Arav. Planting. Arav.
Plantain, ma'am.
No. Where is the plant? It's in a pot, right?
Yes.
Now you identify Arav.
Yes. I know, ma'am.
Yeah, Arav, answer. Only Arav is going to answer. Arav.
Potato.
Who answered this? Is it Arav?
No.
Who answered?
Lion. Bagaswin.
Maswin, why did you answer, Maswin? Yeah, it's a potato. Very good, potato. Okay. Next is for Ryan. Sorry, Ryan. No need of this. You find out this one. Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomato. Come on.
Tomato.
Except Ryan, others are answering.
Tomato.
Yeah, very good. It's a tomato. Very good. Okay. Next, fruit. It's a fruit. Who is going to answer this? Adya. Adya. Very good, Adu. Very good. Well done. Orange. Very good. Okay, next is Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. What fruit is this?
Peahen.
Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and tick tick 5. No answer. Okay, I'm going to ask. Whom shall I ask? I'm going to ask. Wait, let me see. Okay, Nivin. Come on, answer, Nivin. Nivin. Huh?
Yes.
What? Huh? No. Okay, Roshan, you know the answer?
Good evening,
Roshan.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Satvik. Good evening, Shakespeare. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, Vanilla, ma'am.
Good evening, Lexita. Peach. Well done. It's a peach. Good. Okay, next. Who is going to say this answer? Yeah, good evening, ma. Next is Varnika. Varnika, answer. Very good, Varnika. Pineapple. Good. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who is going to answer this? Let me see. It's going to be Satvik. Satvik.
What?
King.
King?
No, it's not a king. It's a jack. Jack.
Jack?
J is written with jack. Hmm.
Jack F.
Hmm.
Truth.
Satvik's mom. No. Come on, blend it.
Jack.
Ah,
Jack. Jack.
ah. What food will start with Jack?
J.
Jack. Anyone else? Jay Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Jack F.
Answer.
Jack
No, Jay Krish mom. No. Don't help them. Yes, come on.
Jack F. Fruit.
Together, blend it.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Well done, Jay Krish. Well done. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, next. Next, who is going to say this? Masvin. Come on, Masvin.
Apple.
Yes?
Apple, ma'am.
Very good, Masvin. You found it on your own. Very good. And then this one is going to be Kaushik. Kaushik.
Elephant.
Elephant. Who?
Jack. Can I tell, ma'am?
No. Only Kaushik is going to say. Tick, tick 1. Tick, tick 2. Tick, tick 3. Tick, tick 4. Tick, tick 5. No, Kaushik. Okay. Next is Ryan. Ryan.
Cherry, ma'am.
Cherry. Very good. Well done. Cherry. Good. Well done. Next is the fruit. Again, it's going to be a fruit. And this one, who is going to say? It's going to be Gautam. Gautam. Sorry?
Papaya.
Okay. Kumaran. Kumaragurubaran, come on. Come on, children. Give work for your brain. Come on. Popeye the Sailor Man. I've given you a hint also. Gautam. Okay. Tick, tick 1. Tick, tick 2. Tick, tick 3. Tick 4. Tick, tick 5. Oh. Yeah, very good. Papaya, very good. Popeye plus I. It's papaya. Very good. Good. And then this is going to be Gautam. Gautam Rishi.
And strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good, Gautam Rishi. Well done. Okay, next. It's going to be Lekshita. Lekshita. Kavin.
Star fruit.
Arjun. Who is saying the answer, ma? Kavin or Arjun?
Lemon Surya, ma'am.
Nivin Surya, you know the answer? Come on, Nivin.
I'm star fruit.
Yeah, very good. Star fruit. Well done. Next. Well done. Next. Who knows the answer? Sai Charana. Who knows the answer?
Nekshita.
Lekshita. Come on, answer.
Cherry.
Cherry. Not cherry. No one knows. Kavin knows the answer.
Honey.
First, honey. And next one, what is there?
Berries. Honey berries.
Honey berry. Very good. Honey berry is good.
Honey berry.
Next, one. Who is going to say?
Kiwi.
Raise your hand.
Kiwi.
Who is going to say?
Ma'am, kiwi,
Who said?
ma'am.
Very good, Siva. It's kiwi. Good. Well done. It's
Kiwi.
kiwi. That's it. Okay. And over. And now it's going to come back. One minute, children. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, why is your camera is off?
Yeah, I'll come back, ma. 1 minute. Okay, are you all ready for the warm-up activity? Yes? Ready or not?
Ready?
Ready, okay. Mom is going to play the song and I'm going to watch how you are dancing. Since I don't know the steps, you are going to dance and I'm going to watch. Okay, children? Yeah.
Vanilla, ma'am. Radha, ma'am. Come on. Clap your hands.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's giraffe. Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am.
Like a tall giraffe. Stretch, stretch, like a tall giraffe. Stop.
Stop
Vanilla
the
ma'am, that's
music.
all vanilla ma'am. Till that only they said.
Sit. You okay. Ready for your attendance, children? I want all of you to go drink water and come back. Come on, drink water and come back. Okay, attendance time. Adya. Adya. Adya Sri. Okay, Arav. Yeah, Arav. Akshat. Akshat. Arjun. 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 Arjun is not there, huh? Okay, absent. Dayanand. Dayanand. Okay. Gautam Rishi. Jay Krish. Grithvik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kaushik. Kaushik. Kavan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kumaragurubaran.
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Hi, Lakshita. Good evening. Lakshraj. Absent. Lekshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Lisha. Lisha. Absent. Satvik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nikita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Nivin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Roshan. Roshan. Masvin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ryan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Saicharan. Saicharan. Is not there. Huh? Absent. Izan. Siva.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai. Very good. Sir. Okay. Now I want all of you to bring your rhymes book. You have that moon rhyme, right, in your book? Yes or no? Do you have the moon rhyme in your book?
No,
No, it's not in your book.
I not have one book.
Yes?
I not have one book, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you are having your rhymes book now? Yes, come on, take any one favorite rhyme and you are going to sing. Okay? First, who will sing? It's going to be Shravan.
Ma'am, my birthday.
Oh, sorry, Nikita. Okay, children, first we'll sing birthday song for Nikita. Okay? Ready, all of you?
Happy birthday.
Shall we
Happy
sing?
birthday, Nikita.
We'll
Happy
sing first.
birthday.
We'll sing happy birthday song first.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nikita. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Nikita. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Now come on, all of you. Wish Nikita. Wish Nikita, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Many more happy returns of the day, Kita.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Well done, children. Okay. Rhymes. What rhyme shall we sing first? What rhyme shall we sing?
Moon, moon, moon and bloom. Gobba manging rhyme, ma'am. Moon,
Yes.
moon and bloom, shining like a silver spoon.
Hmm.
Gobba the sea
All of you mute yourself. Kavin is singing. Come on, all of you mute yourself. Yeah, Kavin. Moon, moon.
moon and bloom, shining like a silver spoon.
Ah. Nevin, mute yourself, Nevin. Children, all of you mute yourself except Kavin. Okay? Come on, Kavin. Hmm. Moon, moon. Come on.
Moon, moon, moon and bloom, shining like a silver spoon.
Hmm.
Mm.
Then? Hmm.
Moon and bloom.
The same. Keeping on singing the same line, ah.
I don't know. Next.
You don't know. Who knows the rhyme? Moon rhyme.
I know, ma'am.
Come on, Arav. Okay, Arav, Arav.
Shine. Blue, blue. Let's go out in the shining moon. Let's go zoo. I want to see a kangaroo. Zoo. I want to go to kangaroo. Soon.
Soon, soon. Okay, soon. Let's go soon.
A big balloon.
Very good. Well done. Okay, you won.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another rhyme. Don't want the moon rhyme. Another rhyme.
Moon, shining like a silver spoon. Blue, the flower blue. Let's go out to the shining moon.
Hmm.
Zoo, let's go to zoo. I want to buy a kangaroo.
I want to buy a kangaroo. Ah. Okay. See a kangaroo. Ah.
Zoom, let's go to zoo. I want to buy a big balloon.
Very good. Well done. Okay, Roshan. Hmm. Shiva, mute yourself. And in B. Very good. Good, Roshan. Well done. Okay, next rhyme. Who is going to sing? Adya. Adya.
Global warming everywhere. Global warming everywhere. Oh, let's get the earth pick up all of the dust to keep the earth clean. Plant and take the water down. Plant and take the water down to make the earth green.
Very good, Adya. Thank you so much. Okay, next is going to
Thank you,
be
ma'am.
Jai Krish. Well done. Jai Krish.
Yes,
Jai
ma'am.
Krish. Okay, come on, sing a rhyme.
Buzz, so honey bee.
Hmm.
When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, so honey bee. Buzz, so honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. When do you want it to dry?
Very good, Jai Krish. Well done. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shravan, yeah. Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Loudly, Shravan.
Okay, ma'am. Buzz, buzz on a पे when you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz on a bee. Buzz, buzz on a bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big high, then you will little joy.
Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Shravan. Okay, next is going to sing. It's going to be Shiva. Shiva.
Birds were so honeybee, birds were so honeybee. When you collect sweet honey,
Mm.
one bird to another.
Mm.
Birds were so honeybee,
Mm. No, okay. It's
birds
there. Come on.
were so honeybee. The
Mm.
honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big eye. When it the little jay.
Very good. Well done. And now I want all of you to bring a shawl. Put it on the ground in a circle shape. In the pond and on the pond activity we are going to play. Okay? Game. Come on. It can be a shawl. It can be a towel. Anything you want. You can bring it. Bring it and spread it on the ground in a circle shape. In the pond, when I say in the pond, you have to jump inside that circle. And when I say on the pond, you'll be jumping outside that circle. Okay? Come on, all of you.
What you take it, ma'am?
I want you to bring a shawl and spread it on the ground in a circle shape. You'll have your mama's shawl, right? Shawl or towel, not a small towel. No.
Ankle ball,
Yes?
ma'am.
Not a ball. I asked for shawl.
Ball.
Your mama will be wearing a shawl like this, right? Dupatta. Come on. Very good, Arav and Akshat. Well done.
Thank you.
If you have any doubts, you can see Arav and Akshat. They have done. Good. Shiva, good. Arav, good. Adya. Okay.
See, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Grithvi,
Like
good.
a square.
Correct.
Square.
Very good, very good. Ready for the game? Shall we start? Shall we start? Everyone outside the pond. Outside the pond. You'll get drowned. Come on, come out of the pond. Come outside. Shall we start? Ready, steady, go. Children, listen, drop. Yes, ma, Nevin. Yeah, Nevin, put it on the ground in a circle shape. Look at your friends how they have done. Hey, toys, who's that? Full of toys. Kavin, Kavin. Naughty boy. Okay. Ready? Ready, steady, and go. Everyone are standing outside, right? Stand. Roshan. Stand. Ready? In the pond. Jump in the pond. Jump in the pond. On the pond. On. Out. In the pond. On the pond. In the pond. In the pond. You have to jump in the pond. Hi, Charan. Why don't you do the activity? On the pond. On the pond. Who jumped inside? In the pond. In the pond. Swim inside the pond. Come on, swim. Swim, swim. Arav, Akshat. Okay, well done. On the pond. On the pond. In the pond. In the pond. In the pond. Siva, out. In the pond. Arav. On the pond. On the pond. On the pond. Siva, one leg outside, one leg inside. Cheating, huh? On the pond. In the pond. Very good. Clap hands for yourselves, children. Well done. Well done. Well done. Very good. Very good. Now come on, take everything. Take your shawl, give it to your mama, and come on, sit in your places. Okay? Now come on, all of you, take your math notebook. You are going to write number names. Whatever number I am saying, you are going to write the number names for it. Okay? Ready? Write today's date. What, Madayanan?
I can't see the screen, ma'am.
You can't see the screen. I'm not presenting you anything.
I want.
What?
Ma'am, what is the page number?
No page number. Take your math notebook. Math notebook. Not the worksheet. If you don't have your math notebook, take your rough notebook.
Don't have the
Don't.
maths notebook.
Then take your rough notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready? Write today's date, children. Today's date is 3/2/2021. 3.2.2121.
Neela, ma'am. I take it, ma'am. 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 Vinina, ma'am, where are you?
Yes, ma. I'll join 1 minute. Okay, the first number name you are going to write is 12.
Ma'am, I have my new notebook, ma'am, English notebook.
Okay, ma. Use your rough notebook and or max notebook for this test. Okay.
I have my 4-line book.
Don't have your math notebook, Kavan.
4-line notebook.
4-line nota.
4-line notebook.
Where is your math notebook, Kavan?
I brought it in the.
Go and bring your math notebook. Come on.
See, ma'am. Finish.
Right, 12.
Number only number names.
Number names.
Okay,
12.
ma'am. Ma'am, next at 12, what number? கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா கொடுங்க எதுவும் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது minute, ma'am. Ah. Ma'am, can you tell what the next number name?
Children, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Now I could hear you.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, can you tell the next number name? It's 12. It's 12, ma'am. Is it 21? 26. I write it 12, ma'am. TW equal.
Have you written 26? Next is 33.
33. We know
33.
33. Ma'am, I write 12, ma'am.
12 is first one is 12. Next is 26. And the third one is 33. Okay? Clear, Kavin?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, mama.
Kavin. Sorry, Nivin. Mute yourself and speak, Nivin. Arav Akshat. Now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, right. Yes, Gritvik.
Third number, ma'am.
First is number 12. Next is 26, second one. Third one is 33. Number names for these three numbers you have to write. Finish? $33. Okay, the next number is 17. 17. Roshan. 17, Roshan. Ryan, what number you are writing, Ryan? What number are you writing? Ryan.
I wrote it 12, 26,
33.
33. Okay, ma'am.
17. Ryan. Where is this boy?
Ma'am,
How
what
many
is
did you write?
ma'am? What is fifth spelling, ma'am?
15.
No, ma'am.
I didn't say 15. I
Tell me.
said 17.
Please tell me, ma'am.
17.
17. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Jay Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
How much did you write, Jay Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
How many did you write? All the 4 words. Number names are
3 words written.
3 words written, ma'am.
12, 26, 33, and 17. Right. Right.
Okay,
Pranay.
ma'am.
Shiva. Right. Right. Adya, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Lakshita, Lekshita, Roshan, Satvik. Did you finish, Satvik? All the 4 number names finished?
Yes.
No, ma'am, he wrote only 3.
3. Okay. 4th one is 17. 7 spelling you have to write. Then you should write teen. T-E-E-N. Finish, Arav Akshat. Ritvik, finish. Good. Good, good, Arav and Akshat. Good. Sai Charan. Where are you, Sai Charan?
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, Kavan. Why don't you write near the margin, Kavan? This is the way we write.
Yes.
Right? Yes, sir. Right near the margin.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Charana.
Yes.
Okay, good. Next, who else? Finish, children. Shall we move on to the next number? 15. Next is 15. 15. That's it. Only 5 dictation words today. Number names. Okay. Now come on, check it. The first number name TWELVE. 12. If you have written the right answer, put a tick mark. TWELVE. 12. Finally, you are going to give scores also out of 5. Let me see how many you are getting. And the second number is 26. TWENTY. 26. Yes, IX 6. 26. TWENTY. T-Y, 26, S-I-X, 6, 26. How many of you have written correctly? Aravan Akshat, Gritvik, good. Sai, good. Adya, good. Okay, now the third one, 33. 30, spelling is T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. 3 spelling you already know, T-H-R-E-E-3. 33, T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30, T-H-R-E-E-3. 33. How many of you have done correctly? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Very good. Is it Arav or Akshat? Arav. Good, Arav. Akshat, good. Ritvik, good. Satvik, written correctly, huh? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Written out, good. Okay, now the next is 17. What's the spelling for 7? Who is going to say? 7. 7. What is the spelling for 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. Teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 17. Correct? S-E-V-E-N. 7. T-E-E-N. Teen. 17. And the final one, 15. F-I-F. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. Yes, Akshat. Good. Good. Good, ma. Arav. Arav or Akshat, I don't know. Well done. Okay, now come on, tell me your marks. Arav, how much did you get?
5. Yes,
5. Akshat, how much did you get?
5.
Akshat, 5. Adya. 5. Good. Dayanand. 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 Okay. Gautam. How much did you get, Gautam?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 marks. Very good. Jai Krish. How much did you get?
How much did you get?
5, 4. How much? 3. Where is your mom? Punch in his nose. How can you get 3 marks? Not at all learning, huh?
No, ma'am. Nowadays, too much playing.
Too much playing.
Hmm.
You need to come home and take your brother or sister, brother, right?
Yes, ma'am. Along with his brother, he is playing.
Very bad, Jai Krish. No.
Watching
Then
phone, playing games.
Ritvik.
5.
Very good, Ritvik. Kaushik. 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 Kavin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma, Kavin.
Starting in the first.
Huh?
Starting first.
Tell me the marks. 5. I gave you dictation 5, no? How much did you get?
1, 2, 1. 1 mark.
What? 1 na? 1 mark. See what I'm going to do when I see you in class. See. Kumaran. Very bad. Kumaran.
5.
How much, ma?
5.
26. Very good, Kumaran. Lakshita. Correct your mistakes, Kavin. I want you to correct your mistakes. Come on. How much, ma, Lakshita?
5, ma'am.
5. Very good. Lekshita.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
How much you wrote correctly?
5.
No? Your mama said it's 3. I heard it.
3 correctly.
Why, Lekshita? Have to answer genuinely, right? Okay, next is Satvik. Correct your mistakes. Come on. Satvik. Satvik and Nivin.
4, ma'am. 5. 5, ma'am.
How much marks did you get, ma? Nivin?
4, ma'am.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, next is Satvik. How much did you get?
5.
How much, ma, Satvik?
5.
5. Very good. Okay. Well done, children. Next is Yuvan Sai and Varnika. 5. Yuvan?
5.
Very good. Yuvan Sai and Varnika, very good. Oh.
Ma'am, you didn't ask me, ma'am. You didn't ask me.
Siva, how much did you get, ma?
5.
5. Very good. Maswin and Ryan?
Yes, ma'am. 5,
How much
ma'am.
did you get? 5.
5, ma'am.
Very good, Ryan. Maswin?
5, ma'am.
Very good. Roshan? Roshan and Shravan? 5.
5, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. All of you clap hands for yourself. Well done. Very
Ma'am, you
good.
didn't ask me.
Yeah, Sai Charan, how much did you get? Sorry.
5.
5. Very good, children. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Come on, a big round of applause. And I'm going to tell Radha ma'am that you have done your dictation very well. Okay? And thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
children.
Radha
See you
madam.
another day.